Hello guys, welcome back to another video, and today we've bought a new car. Yep, we bought a car and it's actually a Seat, and if you've seen some of our videos from before, if you haven't, you should see. We have another Seat as well, and it's very cool. And like when my dad bought this here, it's actually my dad's car, and I was surprised. I was like, wow, we got two. And another fact is that these two are the same models, and here's the keys. Okay, so today we will be exploring the car. Okay, let's go. Let's first see the back. Whoa, wow. It's actually very cozy, and it's actually not a very bad car. Oh wow, there's lights up here. Not in all cars they have it. Wow, it's very good. Clean seats. Not bad actually. If you're looking to buy this car, it's not a bad deal. Like, it's not a bad car to buy. So now let's have a look at the back. Oh wow! Oh, this is so big. No, it's so big. Can I fit in it? That's the one question. Oh wow! I think three clones of me can fit in here. Actually 6. Now that's a cool thing we discovered. Okay, let's close it now. It's pretty hard. And now finally let's have a look at the front. Oh, this guy has to be good. Wow. So cool. Nah. Oh, the Seat. So cool. Look, the Seat side. And oh, this looks like the new updated thing ones and everything. Oh, this is our new charger we have. It's actually not a pretty bad car. The seats are very nice. I love it.